Welcome to today's intriguing journey into the fascinating realm of group dynamics and the power of conformity. We all know that in unfamiliar situations or when confronted with new topics, cultural adaptation through communication is the key. However, even within familiar groups, introducing a new subject can stir up uncertainty, especially when no one is certain about the dominant group perspective. One phenomena that plays a significant role in these situations is group pressure. Now, you might be picturing explicit instances of group pressure, like a group of friends convincing someone to attend a dance. While this is one form, there's another aspect that's even more intriguing: implicit group pressure. Implicit group pressure occurs when individuals naturally adopt dominant group behaviors and express group cues without any explicit persuasion. This is what we commonly refer to as conformity. To understand conformity better, let's explore the famous Asch's experiment conducted in the 1950s by Solomon Asch. The experiments were designed to investigate how social pressure can influence an individual to conform to the group, even when they know that the group is wrong. In the experiment, participants were asked to match the length of lines on cards. In each group, there was one real participant and several contenders who were instructed to give the wrong answers. The results showed that 72% of participants conformed to the group's answers, even though they knew it was wrong. The Asch conformity experiments provide important insights into the power of social pressure. They show that even people who are confident in their own judgment can be influenced by the group, especially if the group is unanimous. The experiments also have important implications for real-world situations. For example, they can help us to understand why people may make poor decisions in groups, such as when a jury convicts an innocent person or when a group of investors make a risky investment. The Asch conformity experiments are one of the most well-known and influential studies in social psychology. They have had a significant impact on our understanding of how people behave in groups and how social pressure can influence our thoughts and actions. So, why does conformity hold such sway over us, and what drives this innate human tendency to conform to group norms? Here, group dynamics play a crucial role in understanding the psychology of conformity. Groups provide us with a sense of belonging and identity, and we are naturally motivated to be accepted by our peers. This can make us more susceptible to conforming to group norms, even when we disagree with them. Another factor that influences conformity is the presence of dissenters. In groups with high levels of dissent, individuals are less likely to conform, as they are more likely to be exposed to alternative perspectives. Individual personality traits can also influence conformity. For example, people who are more anxious or insecure are more likely to conform. Finally, cultural context can also play a role in conformity. In collectivist cultures, which place a high value on group harmony, people are more likely to conform than in individualist cultures. Conformity can have both positive and negative consequences. On one hand, it can help us to fit in and be accepted by others. It can also help us to learn new things and to make better choices. On the other hand, conformity can also lead to making bad decisions or go against our beliefs and harm ourselves. For example, conformity can lead to people following harmful social norms such as bullying or discrimination. It can also lead to people making unethical decisions such as cheating on a test or stealing from their employer. It is important to be aware of the pressure to conform and to be critical of the information we are exposed to. We should not simply conform to group norms because everyone else is doing it. Instead, we should think for ourselves and make our own decisions. As we conclude today's exploration, remember that conformity is a powerful force that can shape our behavior, thoughts, and beliefs. By understanding the psychology of conformity, we can be more mindful of its influence on our lives and make more informed decisions.